We are on what you call the I-95. There's another name for it. I will tell you when I remember. Coming out of Portmore, heading towards Kingston and the roundabout. Turn left if you go in Mandela. Right if you want to go back to Portmore city center. But we are going straight ahead because we are going to Mandela. Highway. And we're going under that little bridge. When you come right here, if you really want to get like the ackee and roast red fruit and coconut, jelly coconut and stuff, you will turn right onto that over, or you go over to Ackee Wall. Anyway, we're going to Mandela Highway, so we're going under the bridge. If you're going to Wissinko, you turn, take that left, the place that does the water and the other juices and stuff. Continue straight. Over this bridge, there's a bridge here. The Rio Cobre runs under this bridge, so that's where Portmore gets a lot of its water from, and there are quite a number of wells in Portmore. So when we reach a stoplight, we're going to turn right. If you want to go to Spanish Town, you would take the left, but we're not going to Spanish Town, we're going to Kingston. So we're going to turn right at the stoplight. So we're on Mandela now. If you want to go to Ferry, there's a road you take the left when you reach down further, and there's a place named Plantation Heights. You take some left down that side. I'm not sure what it's about. I'm driving fast in the there's a police station there, Ferry police station on your left, and IGL is on your left part. That's the medical and industrial gases section. You have Pell City Home Center on your left, and there's a school out here. What's the name of the school? Hydel University on your left. So if you want to turn back on this road, you'll have to take that road that comes around. So you would take the left and go around and come back down that road that goes across the road. down on the highway like that for no apparent reason. What's that, IT row? I don't know what that is. And Tropical Batches is out here and Nestle is out here. Taking the right back there, so to go to that's 6 miles, the intersection, to take the right to go to Spanish Town Road. This is Seventh-day Adventist Church New Haven on the left. On there, so no. Not this here, we're gonna pass here first. We have a tasty here. This is Patrick City on your left. Go in the left lane if you're turning into Boulevard Super Center. You have KFC over there, you have Island Grill, Burger King, Woolworth, quite a number of clothing stores. There's a gym over there, Tasties over there, and Sugar and Spice that makes the cakes, birthday cakes and stuff. And they have Electronics Place over there. Quite a number of over there. There's a bank, National Commercial Bank over there. There's a Court store over there. So quite a big shopping center. So we're still on the boulevard, Washington Boulevard. It's 37 degrees outside. It's a really hot day today. This is where my line road. There's a really good print tray somewhere out here. I use them. I use them the most out of all the print trays. They're on your left. I don't know what I mean. Yeah, that's that building right there on your left. That peach colored building. Yeah, and they're very reasonably priced. Called Jamaica print tray. It's maybe my favorite print tray. For like posters and pages and stuff, flyers and stuff. I like them for that. There's another one near the halfway tree side which I like to use if you want to do like banners and stuff. This is Sovereign Center on the boulevard. There's a supermarket over there. I will pass the Boulevard Baptist on your left. That's another very popular church. Jamaica Baptist Union Center is also on your left. So we're approaching the intersection of Red Hills Road now with the boulevard. So if you want to go Red Hills Road, you take the left lane, and then you would take when you go down further, you take left or right. You can take right under the bridge to go into halfway tree too. So we're going now on to Dunrobin Avenue. You could go straight up to Constant Spring Road, or you could take the left. There's a road on your left here where the stoplight is. It will take you further down Constant Spring. So you'll cut out some of the Constant Spring traffic. And you have, what is this? Dunrobin Shopping Center or something like that. There's a Sherwood Williams store over there. A paint store. They're very good. The Auto Dome here. Body shop. Oh, there's a body shop there. Dunrobin. There's a Campbell's stationery place on your right. ARD2K on your left. That's like a furniture store. I'm not sure what else they're selling now, but they usually sell some nice quality furniture. So we are now approaching the intersection of Constant Spring Road and not Dunrobin Avenue. You could turn left if you want to go like Manor Park and those places. Turn right to go to Halfway Tree or New Kingston. With all the restaurants and stuff. Okay, so we're going straight down to Constant Spring Road. I showed you earlier how we reached Constant Spring Road and I was about to take the left, but now I'm gonna go straight down into Halfway Tree because I need to show you how to get to Halfway Tree. So this is where I was turning left in the video just a while ago. So we're going straight ahead on Constant Spring Road to reach the Halfway Tree. So we're heading towards the clock. And we're passing some plazas here. We have like Energies here is on your left. And then the next plaza is, you have a little electronics store here first. So the next major plaza is King's Plaza on your left. There's a car mart on your right. You have Popeyes immediately on your left. Then Savannah Plaza is on your right. And we also pass a little piano place and a book place. So this is Savannah Plaza on your right. And I think there's a farm store towards the back. And an ice cream place is in there. And another place that sells natural products, like if wholesale. Like shea butter and stuff like that. So I see another electronics store on your left. And you have a one-stop furniture store on your left. So if you take the left, you would go onto South Avenue. We can do that another day. So let's go straight ahead. So we're passing 7th Avenue Plaza, Lane Plaza on your left, where we have Rapid True Value Hardware Store, Quartz, that yellow place on your right, Quartz Furniture. And they have an eyeglasses place over there too. And you have on the left, we have Singer, Wendy's, that's Village Plaza. And Starbucks Coffee, that big blue place there on the left. On your right, you would pass Twin Gates Plaza. Now in the left, we pass Mall Plaza, Tropical Plaza, Springs Plaza on your right. On Tropical Plaza, you have like Lee's Fifth Avenue and all of that. On the right, you have Pavilion Jewelers, KFC. And on the left, you have Tropical Plaza with Pharmacy, Answers for Children, Lee's Fifth Avenue Shoes, and the department store. So right here, we're passing Springs on your right, Premier Plaza on your left. And that plaza on the right, I think that's Central Plaza, just comes on your left where you buy gym equipment and gym wear, Pablo's Clothing, Material Store, Cloth and Sew on your right, Sneakers Express on your right, Pavilion Plaza on your right, Scotia Bank on your left. There's another little plaza here on your left. There's a Mother's downstairs and there's a Barber upstairs and some other places. That place with that circular looking metal thing, that's the Halfway Tree Transportation Center. Surgical Business Resource Center on your left. Jane Bank on your left. So we have Jane Bank on your left here. So we're heading towards Mandela Park. So most of these roads that run across are one-way street. So if you take a right, and on your right, you will go right back to Eastwood Park Road. So here, if you could go straight ahead, and then you will go onto Halfway Tree Road. If you're going through Halfway Tree, the clock is straight ahead, but we're going to turn the left onto Hope Road, because I told you I was going to show you how you reach Hope Road. I was going to show you how you reach Hope Road from Halfway Tree. So we take this left turn right here. Be very careful, people are always crossing the road here. That's Mandela Park on your right, BM Bank on your left. There's a taxi stand on your right. There's a creamy outlet. If you want to buy ice cream in wholesale, you can go there. And there are some other places, business places on this road here. There's some cyber center on your right, Bethel Cyber Center on your right. So you can take a left or you can take a right. You can take the right to go back to Halfway Tree, or you can go straight ahead, and that's Brooklyn Supermarket ahead, or you can take the left to go straight to like Pappy inside from Halfway Tree to Legany and all those places, to New Kingston. So I'm going to show you where the Winchester Business Center is. So that is our trip to Halfway Tree, to show you how you reach Halfway Tree and how you get on to Hope Road. We'll do another trip from Hope Road, go straight back to Legany, but not today. So let's turn right into Winchester Business Center, which is a very important place for you to know, because there are a lot of doctors and so over here, pharmacies, and a couple of other business places over there. So I'm just going to drive through so you can see how you enter, how you go around, and how you exit. So you take the left and you enter. There are a lot of places in here. Just taking a little drive right around so you can have an idea. I'm going to share the next entrance. So we're approaching the next entrance to this plaza, and also you can exit too from that side. So we will take the left right here where you see that car going if you want to exit. But I'm just going to drive around so you can see how big it is. So you like go around in a circle. There's always lots of vehicles in there. So if you want to park in, you just park to the side and then you wait until somebody leaves, because people are always getting in and out. So as you can see, a lot of vehicles just park up on the left and wait until a space is free. There are a lot of sleeping policemen in here. Just take your time, go around. So this is our trip to Halfway Tree. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm just gonna go around a little bit now and show you where to exit. Again, that's exactly where we came out. So this is the back light of the place. So you just take it and go around the road and go around. So I'm gonna use this video to link with another video to show you a day out doing errands in Kingston side and show you some places where I go to do my hair.